Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today we are gonna open $500 position on a 1 minute time frame. All the current players with the highest payout rate haven't peaked. And basically we are gonna use the following indicators. The first one is the stochastic, and the next one is the current channel. They work perfectly in combination, guys. I know many people who use this strategy and generally it brings them good profit. The main signals for position entry are gonna be the crossing of the overbought or oversold zones. Let's set the overbought zone to 70 and the oversold one to 30. And basically our goal is to make a good profit today. Let's get started and find the bet counter pair, guys. Well, let's watch. We are interested in the highest payout rate. We will play out the current channel and let's open a long position here without thinking twice. This is a good position entry. We observe the uptrend on the chart. We see that the stochastic is currently at the bottom in the oversold zone, and in theory we are gonna see its reversal. And if you use the movement to the upside, also there is uptrend here. We see this teeny correction. There was a good correction in this zone, the touch of the middle line of the channel, and it indicates that the correction seems to be over and the price will go upwards. That's why we opened the long, guys. The crossing did happen and I'm expecting to see a good breakout by the end of our position, and it's gonna be closed in profits. I'm okay with the price movement so far. And there we go. The first position had been closed in profit, guys. Like I said, we've seen a nice breakout at the end, exactly as we predicted, guys. So let's find the next counter pair. And let's carry on the trading session. Look, the price started going down here. Well, let's check out the other counter pair. I don't see good trade entry so far. So here we debate to open a short. I'll select the workspace and take a look at the stochastic, guys. This is the first movement, the second one, and the third. These are the peaks according to the stochastic, and in theory we are gonna see the reversal and it will go into correction. After this pullback, while having the downward dynamics, it looks very probable there was the updating of the local high and the price should go downwards. So there was a good pullback, the crossing of the overbought zone on the stochastic, and there is literally 15 seconds left before the closing, and I'm fine with the price movement. We see that the volatility is not too high. By the way, we have a perfect position entry level and there are 5. Oh, nice. And we got the second position in profits. There is no tapping here, and let's find the next currency pair. Let's have a look at here. We observe the downward dynamics. Let's check out the upward zone. Here is the low point, and basically we can conclude that the price should go lower. That's why we opened the short. You know, guys, let's open 2 more short positions here. I think this is a rational move because first of all we see the peak on the stochastic, so the price should go lower because the trend is downwards. There was a small pullback from this level, but the price hasn't entered the channel. At first we opened a short at this level, but this is not safe, to be honest. That's why we opened 2 extra short positions in order to reduce the risk to go into the negative. And basically there are around 5 seconds left before the closing of the first position. And let's watch the price movements. By the way, even the first position ends up in profits. That's how we sum, and the same goes for other 2. They are also in profits, and there are almost $14,000 on the balance. Quite good outcome, guys. And let's now drag this out and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing and find the next position entry. Well, here the price has more upward dynamics and the direction should change. The price is gonna go upwards. I think we should open a long here. I'll point out the workspace. Basically, we opened ahead of the market. If we look at the price dynamics, the breakdown of the support level did happen, and we already saw a massive correction here. And basically, if we consider this area, then this a perfect correction. So we play ahead of the market and we release that the price has to bounce off and start going up. That's why we open a long position, considering that we on in a 1 minute time frame, because the price can go lower in the short term down to its support zone. That's why it's more promising to open on a 1 minute time frame. That's why our position is in the profits again. Have a look, guys, there is high volatility. That's why on 1 minute time frame is better here, and there is inception of the red candle, which isn't a bullish signal. That's why I open 1 minute position when using this strategy. And basically, let's change the currency pair. So let's look for it here. There were no crossings so far. Is it worth playing ahead of the market? Let's figure it out. I think it's gonna be a good trade entry. And let's open a few more long positions in case the first one ends up at loose. And basically we release that the stochastic is stuck in the oversold zone and it's high time to break out. By the way, there was a nice correction here. In addition, we can point out the support zone. The price was rejected from it and a small accumulation zone has been formed. And basically, after this huge correction, by the way, there was the upward dynamics, the uptrend, and now the price should continue moving upwards. That's why we opened our long position. By the way, look at this massive pump, guys. The stochastic almost reached the overbought zone. And the position entry was calculated perfectly. And all the position have been closed in profits. Good job. I adore this movement. And we got really good profit on the balance. And let's open a few more positions and find the next currency pair. We are looking for the most profitable payout rate. And by the way, we can observe a nice touch of the support zone here. Let's open a long, guys. But if the price goes low, we will open 2 more additional positions. Let's open 2 more long positions here. And let's point out the workspace. Very promising position entry, guys. there is a touch of support zone. I'm expecting to see the rebound as it happened here. Also, there was a nice correction here. We see the downtrend on the chart and we are gonna play out the pullback, but still the price is gonna hold at that level for a while because the stochastic is at the bottom. The moving average at the level 10. In theory, a little rebound is imminent here, that's why we open our long position. And the first one end up at loss. Unfortunately, we a little late, but the breakout has already happened and the support zone played out perfectly, but the other two positions have been closed in profits and there are $16,000 on the balance, and I guess we open two more positions and then we fix the profit. And let's continue analyzing and have a look at this. We see the touch of the support zone. The price kind of going sideways. I think we should slow down here. Actually, we are a little late here. It would be perfect if you opened when the candle was here, and I guess we are gonna hold off opening here. However, let's open a long position here, and we will open a few additional positions if we consider it's necessary. And let's do this, guys. Not the best level, so the price is going lower. And let's open two more positions here, and let's have a look. I'll point out the workspace. The upward dynamics prevails here. Stochastic is not in the overbought zone yet, so in theory, while having the upward dynamics, the price is gonna go upwards. We observe this great correction in this area. Then there was the upward dynamics updating because the local high didn't happen. And then there was another correction, after which I'm expecting to see the price going upwards. And if you look at the stochastic, it's too early for the reversal, so we have the space for growth. So I think the position was opened correctly. Let's see, guys. The first position ended up at loss, which was expected. The next one having closed in profit, and there are two final positions left. And let's wait for the outcome, and there we go. The final position and profits, we got $17,000 on the balance. I'm happy with this trading session. This is as it goes. Don't be afraid of using the principle of martingale method. So open extra position if you miss the desired level of position entry, and try to find the counter pair that got medium volatility if you don't wanna end up with loss, guys. And let's move on to the withdrawal. Let's withdraw, I guess, $7,400. My address, and press the continue button. Our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done as usual. And in the next video I'm gonna open $1,000 position, and I wanna show you that sometimes such risks are justified. So thank you guys for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comments down below. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.